All right, for the debrief in this hour, I have two new guests. My guests are first, criminal defense attorney Jennifer Bukowski, who joins us from Columbia, Missouri, where her law practice is actually just minutes away from the courtroom where James Addie was convicted of murder and just a short time ago. Also with me is retired crime lab director for the San Diego Police Department, Jennifer Shen. She joins us as well. Ladies, thank you very much for being with me this evening.
Great to be here.
Thank you.
All right, let me start off just by getting reactions. I'll start with you, Jennifer Bukowski, a person from the area, knows the folks in Cole County very well. Love to get your reaction to the verdict.
It wasn't that surprising. It's a very unusual case, right, where we have a corrections officer from a prison have this secret fiance, but there were a lot of circumstantial pieces of evidence that the defense couldn't explain away. The jury didn't even ask for exhibits and came back with a guilty verdict right after lunch.
Jennifer Shen, I'd love to get your response to what happened in this case. There was some physical evidence. I know that's an area of specialty of yours, but not a tremendous amount.
No, and something that's really interesting about physical evidence or crime scene evidence is that it's used to sort of add on to other evidence. So, in this case, you have a person who has motive and they have opportunity. And then when you add, and they have the ability, they have a reason to do this murder. So then when you add things like a bloody T-shirt that belongs to his daughter, and then a tire track that matches his vehicle, when you add those things all together, pretty soon it's difficult to deny that he had something to do with this crime.
That's a very interesting take. Sometimes folks think that you have that sort of physical evidence and that leads to the rest, but you're saying here it's sort of added as